What's going on? It's Chris from LifterLMS, and today I'm here to talk to you about the LifterLMS 3-year Infinity Bundle that you can get during this Black Friday sale. The sale has already started, and you can basically get $11,760 in savings if you buy the 3-year Infinity Bundle. Let me walk you through the math. So if you're new to LifterLMS or you're just not sure how our pricing works, we basically have 3 bundles: the Infinity Bundle, the Universe Bundle, and the Earth Bundle. People love the Infinity Bundle because it has everything that LifterLMS makes. Now, what's in the Infinity Bundle that's not in the other bundles are all the advanced premium LifterLMS features, like groups for offering training into organizations, advanced quizzes, assignments, advanced videos, social learning, private areas, custom fields, PDFs, and also our office hours mastermind support call, which happens every week on Zoom. These are benefits of the Infinity Bundle. Now, if we go to the pricing, if you were to buy everything in the Infinity Bundle separately, it would cost $4,480. So you get a better value when you get the Infinity Bundle by itself, instead of getting the individual add-ons. Like these advanced features, for example, are $240 a year each. These integration add-ons are $120 a year each. So when you get the Infinity Bundle, you're getting $4,480 of value for just $1,200. But it gets better. When you invest in the Infinity Bundle, the 3-year option, you get 3 years for the price of 2. So now you get that at $2,400. But wait, there's more. This is our biggest sale of the year. The Black Friday season has already started at LifterLMS, and it runs all the way through November and a little bit into December. But now is the best time to get the 3-year Infinity Bundle plan, because if you use the coupon code, just go to the website and put in the coupon code Black Friday 22, click apply coupon, and you can see you can get the 3-year Infinity for just $1,680. So if we look at the math here, if you were to buy all the add-ons and the premium support, office hours mastermind, for 3 years, it would cost you $13,440. You can get the Infinity Bundle 3-year plan today for just $1,680. Be sure to put the coupon code in Black Friday 22 when you check out to get the deal. So you're going to get the most powerful, customizable, independently owned and operated learning management system for WordPress for 3 years at a killer discount with the best support, the most stable platform, the best coded, at an incredible deal of just $1,680. So this is the time of year to do it. You get the best tool for the best price at the best time. We're here to support you on your journey. If you're looking for the 3-year option, we'll put a link below this video so you can find that, and be sure to use the coupon code Black Friday 22 at checkout. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.